So my Supported Internship was really good. I had Identity School of Dance, which I still go to now, two nights a week now. I had Rocking Course Media, which I'm still in. It is really nice to see how the working life is, so you can get used to it throughout when you leave. You had great support around you for when you first started out. There will be times when in Supported Internship where your job coach will step back a bit so you can gain that independence for when you leave college. I did love it because it can show what the working world is like, not just being in college. At the end of it, my Supported Internship, we found Abby and Natalie helped me find a work straight after my last day, and they found a fantastic fun house, so I get paid there for 2 days a week. I have to dress up in different children's TV costumes, so like Iggle Piggle, Poppy from Trolls, I'll give you one more, maybe a Minion at one point sometimes. I'm doing Shrek rehearsals at Identity now, and I play Princess Fiona.